Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Dope Trades. My name is Deepak. Today we will be taking one 5-minute trade and 4 1-minute trades. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the video into two hereafter. I'll be taking a 5-minute video separately and a 1-minute trading separately. So right now, as of now, we'll be taking a 5-minute trade. So without any ado, let's get started. And before we go, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's get started.
Hi guys, we are now live on Euro USD. As you can see, as of now, I'm right now on tradingview.com to have a better analysis. So as you can see, the market right now, if you ask me, is in a current downtrend. The market moved up, and then from here the market started moving in the downward trend, breaking the previous higher low. You can see a higher high and a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then a new lower low. So we are on a key resistance level right now, if you ask me. So let me move to the chart quickly. So what I'm going to do is quickly draw some support level. We have a great opportunity to take a 5-minute trade here. I'm going to move it to 5 minutes so that, see, this is the key level. That's going to play as a good resistance level, if you ask me. Not currently, but yes, maybe we can use it as a key level. This and this. So if you see earlier, market rejected this from this level, previous support, and currently formed as new resistance, and the market is testing this support level, which is now resistance. So let's go to 1-minute chart and see how much room do we have to place a down trade. 1 minute. So we will be taking a 1-minute trade, sorry, 5-minute trade. Let me draw a trend line. This should be it. So let's wait for the confirmation. As you can see, the market went above the resistance level, and the seller started to push the market down. So guys, I do not want to make this video long, unlike yesterday where our video was for 23 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 different videos and 2 different playlists. A video for a playlist for 5-minute trades and a playlist for 1-minute trades, so that it is much more easier and convenient for you people to view based on your trading strategy that you would want to implement. So I'll just skip forward to the part where I place the trade, and I'll explain the setup all at once detail. So guys, I've just taken a 5-minute trade over here. Let me finish the trade and then I'll explain you the setup. So guys, we ended in a profitable trade. So that's it for today, for the 5-minute trade session, and I'll be making another video for 1 minute. I'm sorry, before I go, let me just explain you the setup quickly. So the major trend of the market was downtrend, as I said earlier, and this was the retracement. So I did test some key levels, and I was also using TradingView to check what's happening in the market. As I saw that the market was reaching to a point where there was a strong resistance, so I knew the market will reverse from this zone. So what I did, I waited for the market. As you can see, this is a symmetrical triangle pattern that was forming. Earlier I thought maybe the head and shoulder pattern might form and the market might break from here, but it did not, and that was a failed analysis. And as you can see, I drew another symmetrical triangle. The market went up, got rejected by the resistance level, came back, took support again, hit the resistance level again, came down, resistance level again, couldn't break this previous high, and the market started to fall down. That's when I knew that the market will reverse and it's time for me to place a down trade. As you can see, the market started falling down sharply, and this candle indicated me that yes, the buyers are present, as the rejection from this whole number, this price was very weak. So that was a strong confirmation for me that the market is going to fall. However, I decided to place conservative trades. I do not want to take immediate breakout trades, as like yesterday we saw immediate breakout trade didn't go well for us yesterday. So what I did, I waited for the market to break out. The market broke out and then started falling down, retested the level, and with this candle's rejection is when I understood that the resistance is quite strong and the market will continue moving downwards. As you can see, the market got rejected from this level and tried to break the same resistance level again, but could not fail to, and the market started falling down and down, and we ended up in a profitable trade with a very good margin. So yes, 5-minute trades are going to be very conservative. There's going to be a lot of waiting time, but I will have to do it because we need to make profit and minimize as much as loss we can. So that is it for today's session, guys. Thank you and bye.